right. All right, well, hi, I'm Karen. So today I'm going to be attempting to do a colorful look with this palette right here, considering that the purple in this actually broke, which is probably like one of the most colorful shadows that they have in here. So, but I'm going to try not to, I want to say I'm going to try not to do something neutral, but you know, I mean, it is what it is. And I've gone ahead and penciled my brows in with this brow pencil from Wet n Wild, and it's in medium brown. And I'm going to go ahead and set it with the Ultimate Brow Palette from Bhcosmetics, because this brow pencil, I wouldn't have mind not setting it, but it does feel a little bit more waxy than I personally like. So this is definitely something I would say if you wanted to look just a little bit more natural and hopefully survive the day, I would definitely recommend you setting it with some kind of brow powder, some kind of matte eyeshadow that is not that much different from your actual hair color. Let's get this water in. I'm gonna go ahead and clean my brows with this True Complexion HD Corrector, and also use it as eyeshadow base. And I believe it's in light to medium. Feeling just a little bit more. I feel like I got some sparse areas. That one looks fine for the most part. All right, so as usual, I'm gonna go in with Fresh. I'm just gonna use it to set the top part so it's easier to blend whatever the crease color I'm gonna use into it, and it's not looking hella crazy. Let's just go ahead and jump into Wise, which is this, you know, hunter green color. And this probably should have been a color I should have attempted to keep a little bit lower, but we're already here. All right, and let's try this color easy going. Oh, maybe I should bring it back a bit. I don't know how I feel about that green color so far. Let's really wipe this brush off. There we go. I'm going in with Fresh, that first color. I feel like I just want to take, you know what, I'm glad I'm doing one eye. Let's do this. You know, before we do all that, let's go back to Wise, which is that dark green color. Let's go ahead and wrap this up. Let's wipe off the brush, go back into Easygoing, the purple. So let me just fade the edges on this brush. Let's go back to the Sonia Kasic brush, and let's use that to fade in this purple right here. Let's see if we can scrape off any of this purple color called Chill. That's a really pretty purple. These purples in this palette are really pretty. Kind of sad that it broke. Now I hope this color does not look too Halloween-y, because the one thing I do not celebrate is Halloween, but I used to. And I'm going in with Clever. I used to celebrate Halloween, and I used to dress up for it and everything. And it's kind of weird, like the things you choose to dress up for Halloween, how in some way, shape, or form it may actually, I don't want to say it impacts your life, but it kind of does. So I don't want to go into too much detail. Yeah, I just don't. But all I can say is, I feel like this, if you're quote unquote Christian or whatever, and you know that we live in a world where there's principalities, there's spirits, there's other entities, demons, whatever, you cannot see them in the other dimension. Why would you want to welcome it into your life and make it quote unquote fun for a day, on a day that is known for people practicing witchcraft, making sacrifices, killing children, doing sexual whatever on a day like this? Like, why would you as a Christian entertain that? Because it's quote unquote fun. You get to dress like a devil, a prostitute, Playboy bunny, a tigress, a witch. Like any other day, if somebody on a regular day they called you a prostitute, a hoe, or called you a witch out in public, or just that's the gossip going around, like, would that be okay? It's like, why would you want to bring that spirit and that energy upon you? It's just things I just think people don't really sit down to really like think about. I'm gonna go in with low key. Actually, let me see if I can just use my finger to like. I feel like we try to downplay stuff, and when you just need to call a thing. Like, once again, this goes back to what I was saying before, and one of my other videos I uploaded is like, you can't worship two masters. And when I say these things to people, or the things I said in that video, I wasn't saying it to like be judgmental and like oh yeah, I'm better than that. Like, I know. I'm not saying the things because they sound good or they seem like that's a Christian thing to do. Like, I know the repercussions, and I know the bad things that are bad outcomes that come from those things, from doing certain things. I know it because I've lived it. Yeah. Ain't no other way to say it than that. Like, I know it because I've lived it, and I'm not gonna sit here and try to say something and yeah, I may not go into full detail of it, because you know what? I don't need to go too deep on every single thing that I've encountered in my life. I just don't. And I'm not gonna sit there and dwell in the past. It's like, what do I want to do? Do I want to do something about it, or do I not want to do something about it? And that's how I look at it. And if I'm led to say something about it, I will. I should have put this on first. Dr. Bronner's. I think I'm going to do a liner with this, because this look is so extreme. I can't picture not doing a liner with it. You know what's funny? It's like, I wouldn't even normally pair these colors together. Like, it does kind of remind me of, I guess you think of Halloween, you know, purple, orange. But it doesn't own those colors. How about that? I'm going to be using the black Radiance Waterproof eyeliner. And you know what? I'm going to switch this brush out. How about that? Yeah, it's a flexible brush. I'm going to switch it out because this is a hard felt tip. I don't like it. I just don't. I'm going to switch that out to use with that. There you go. That's so much better. I really need to practice a little bit more doing my liner. I really have not been doing it. It's funny what happens when you stop doing something for a while. Like, you really gotta keep practicing. I'm just gonna use this to apply this concealer because I want to be mindful with my placement. Maybe I should try to, I would say I should try to clean this up, but wow. Funny what concealer can do. That made everything look so much better. I don't know, like, I feel like, I don't know, that color may not be enough, or, okay, I guess that's better. Low-key. Debating, I mean, I probably shouldn't mess with it. I'm kind of debating now, like, if I should have done like purple, try to see if I could have gotten the purple shimmer to come all the way out here, just shape my eyes a little bit better, and to get rid of some of that darkness. I don't want to jack up the look now that I got the eyeliner on, you know. But yeah, I'm kind of thinking I should. So let's go. We're gonna go back into what's left to chill. I hope we can make it across. I definitely use a small brush for this. This is a very pigmented purple. So I also would have liked to have seen like how this purple would look like with like these coral colors, like as a crease color. I think that would have been kind of cute. Out there, but cute. I think this is better. Oh my gosh, yeah, this is better. I'm glad I did that. Just to kind of get rid of some of that darkness, because it was just too dark all in the crease and everything. This is cute. Let's take a little bit of this Genuine, this black, and this will kind of help like blend in a little bit with this black liner, and also define the shape of my lower lash line, so it's not so just, I don't know, just wide. It just, I don't know, just kind of pull the eye shape back a bit. And let's see, let's take a little bit of Happy, and this is just to help like smoke it out and not make it look so rough and rugged on the bottom. All right, and let's go in with foundation Makeup Forever HD in the color Y425. Well, maybe it will match with my neck, but my face is saying you have spent a lot of time in the sun, sweetie. Yeah, no. All right, let's go in with the Flawless Face Brush. I've really been liking using this to apply my foundation, surprisingly. I don't think I have enough on. Yeah, the one place you're supposed to focus is the middle and then let it work itself out, and there's not enough. I don't know. This foundation is not sticking to my nose. Let's see if we can solve that problem. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Tone Adjusting Face Primer. And I want to see if this will allow the foundation to cling to my nose area. I'm gonna let that dry down. Let's see what happens. But that looks better for sure. All right, I'm gonna leave well enough alone. And I'm gonna go, ooh, it's wet. No, it's still wet. Oh man. Gosh, that's kind of sad. I've actually been enjoying using that brush. Do I have another one? All right, so I'm gonna go into 240 from Bhcosmetics. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe M510. And I'm gonna go in with Honey Caramel, just to blend out the edges. I kind of feel like I want another color on my eye, but I just not sure. Yeah, I feel like it's just too much purple going on in there. I'm gonna try a little bit spicy. I don't know. Can we overpower this color? I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this. Just being honest, I don't. I'm gonna go in with something a little bit more. That's too bright. Let's go in with this right here. This is from the Professional Blush Palette. I'm just gonna keep it on the side. So the eyes are like really, really doing their own thing. The last thing you wanna do is have all this color right here and then you got all this bold color right there. It's just gonna be doing the most. I'm really not sure how I feel about this color. We're gonna go into Opal from Becca. I'm gonna keep pushing the envelope. At this point, whatever. All right, let me wet this face. And this is the tomato toner. Honestly, it's not bad. It's not bad. I think I just had to get used to looking at it a little bit. When you're saying stuff to convince yourself, right? It's not bad. It's not. Let's see. Bite Beauty, the Matte Cream Lip Crayon in Glace. Maybe. Let's see. And then this one is Mocha Twist from Elf, and it's their lip plumping gloss. I don't know, I'm just trying something. You're never gonna know unless you try it. It's not bad. Stepping outside my comfort zone. It's not bad. Oh, the liner hadn't dried yet. Oh, Lash Paradise. Yeah, this is the reason why I don't like using that liquid liner sometimes, because I hate when it gets in my lashes. So I want to go with this green. Maybe that's too bright. This one's the eyeliner. You know what? Let's go in with a green. Oh, this is a pretty green. And this is from Kiss New York. These, you usually find them at the beauty store. Just FYI. Kind of made me wish that maybe I would have done this on the lower lash line. So let's do that. I like that. It's different. It added a little something extra. I think that's the thing that I was missing. Take any kind of smudger brush or small enough brush to fit down here, and let's just blend in the eyeshadow into the edge of that pencil. That is nice. I like that. I like it. I like this a whole lot, actually. Kind of feeling like I probably should put lashes on, but you know, I actually kind of like it. That is so funny. I was not liking this look. I kind of like it. I kind of like it the way it is. I know I could put on lashes, but I'm being kind of lazy. I am really feeling this purple and green look with the bronzy, peachy. It's like a bronzy, peachy rose gold color. Ooh, that's just making me think now to do like a purple. But I need a purple color. There's not enough in that. That would be real. Ooh. Okay, where do I got a rose gold at? Let's find a palette with a rose gold. Let's find a palette with a rose gold. And we got one. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try that. Let me try that. So I'm gonna do 2 looks. Yes, I am. Why not? I'm gonna do 2 looks today. Oh, I'm really feeling this. I'm surprised the way it turned out because I kept struggling with this inner corner. I wanted it to be a different color, but I didn't want it to be too dark, but I definitely didn't want to be the usual highlight color, you know what I mean? Like, but this is just, and with this olive green eyeliner, what's it called? I didn't even say the name of it, I'm so sorry. The Luxury Intense Eyeliner from Kiss New York Professional, and this is in khaki. Adds like a nice hint of color on the bottom that just makes the bottom look slightly different from the top. And I think it's super cute. I gotta use this again. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Definitely playing around with this. I wish I had more of that purple. The matte purple in this palette is no joke. I'm definitely gonna be doing another look with it, strictly with that and the rose gold. I'm gonna play around and see what happens, because it's cool to know that I can do stuff like this, because these are the kind of looks I need to master, like these really dark looks that can get out of hand really quick. Those are the ones that I feel like I really need to work on. Anyway, so that's it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, definitely make sure to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up so other people like you on YouTube can find my channel here. Anyway, thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.